Homeland at that, I will not make a comment because you say, if I make a comment, it will develop into a controversy. So I don't have any comment on that.
What sort of controversy, sir?
Our plan is to make it a facility center plus this one registrations of the tourists. And we have, in our fund, we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work. So registering the tourists. And at a time, you see, our registration, some time will be taken. So in that time, you see, whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant. That's all only.
So like, will the government hold talks with the KSU to like resolve the matter?
Beg your pardon?
Will the
See, at the official level, there was a talk. There was a talk. DC has called them, the KSU member, request them not to disturb the work. But what is their decision, that I don't know.
I mean, like you're saying that tourists who will come here, they'll be registered in that place, so they'll be registering.
Yeah, it will be a tourist registration center. Many people may be coming to do something. So in order to check their intention, whether they are coming as a tourist with whole intention, or they are coming in the guise of tourists, say, to do some harm. That is necessary for us.
Sir, but how?
So we will have to examine their paper, whether it actually is genuine residents of India or from other countries having a proper document or no. This is like almost like a ILP, no? In a land permit. When we go to Nagaland, they say everybody has to go through this inner line permit system.
But sir, like
whatever the court prohibition, I think Meghalaya government has replied now.
The alternative that the government has said that they will look for another alternative, even after the MHA also has instructed the same, ensuring that.
What are the preferences? These are the mechanism government is going to adopt. So having a place for registration, checking those tourists coming into Meghalaya. Now, so even in Garhwal also we have constructed a house building at Birubari. That also will be done like that, you see. We have some restaurant there. And at the same time, we have some registration officers out there to check the proper, the tourists, whether they are coming in with proper document or not.